The impact of cosmetic products on water is primarily linked to our use of them in our bathrooms. After rinsing, our shampoos and shower gels flow down the drain to mix with wastewater. In industrialized countries, the drains lead to sewage treatment plants. In some countries, however, where there are few or no treatment plants, the drains flow directly into the rivers. Some products may have a harmful effect on aquatic organisms. This is what we call ecotoxicity. Certain substances degrade naturally thanks to the bacteria and microorganisms present in the rivers and soils. This process, known as biodegradation, is effective but relatively slow. It is speeded up considerably in the sewage treatment plants so that any discharge that ends up in the natural environment will be less harmful. When developing their products, L'Oréal's researchers use only substances that do not pose any foreseeable risk to the environment, favoring raw materials that are easily biodegradable and the least ecotoxic for aquatic organisms. If the environmental safety data for certain substances are unknown, our researchers conduct computer modeling to predict their impact. If doubts remain, they then test the biodegradability and ecotoxicity of such products in the laboratory. The biodegradability tests measured the amount of organic material degraded by microorganisms in 28 days. Ecotoxicity is measured across 3 organisms representative of an aquatic food chain: microalgae, small planktonic crustaceans, and tiny alevin. The results of these biodegradability and ecotoxicity tests are then combined to calculate what we call the water footprint of the product. This water footprint shows the theoretical volume of water needed to dilute the substance so that it does not affect living organisms. Using this information, L'Oréal's researchers can constantly minimize the environmental impact of the products they are developing to achieve the greatest benefit for our beauty, our health, and our environment.